Hi everyone, this is Vineet. So today I am very excited to be here and share my experience with an amazing tool called AIV. AIV stands for Active Intelligence Visualization. As someone who loves exploring data and finding way to make sense of it, I have found AIV to be a game changer. How I came across AIV? So while searching for a solution to simplify a data analysis and dashboard creation, after trying a few other tools, I was blown away by how user-friendly and powerful AIV is. It is designed to help anyone from beginners to advanced user turn raw data into a clear and actionable insights. So basically, what is AIV? AIV is a BI tool that helps us to visualize your data like never before. Whether you are managing a large dataset or creating interactive dashboards, AIV makes it very easy to get a meaningful insights and result without needing a technical expertise. In this video, I want to share with you how I personally use AIV, starting from connecting my data source to building a dashboards, and will show you how to connect a different data source and how to connect how to create a data set, and after that I will be show you how to build a dashboards. So I will show you to step-by-step connection between AIV and your preferred data source, whether it's a database or Excel or CSV, anything. I will guide you through the process to how to create it, and after that how to create a dataset for dashboard creation. So let's start. So this is our landing page of AIV. So step 1 we have to do is build a connection between a data source. So first of all we have to know our file format. So basically my file format is CSV. So I will select CSV. This is our data source. So my file is CSV, and just I will drag and drop my data here. So you see our data manufacturer.csv is uploaded successfully. Just hit upload button. Then you found a message that you have successfully uploaded your data. So our data source is built here, and now I have to create a data set. So for that I will create I have to click on data set in step 2. Just click on data set and you will go to dataset section, and just in bottom you see a create dataset button. Just hit that and you will see a dataset section appear here. So in this you have to select existing files because you have already uploaded your CSV file, and after that just select here your file format. Like my file format is CSV, so I will select my file format and then I choose my file here. So my file is manufacturer.csv. Just I click on this and go to output columns. Before this you have to also write your dataset name. So I will write my dataset name here, manufacturer_new. So this is my dataset name. After that go to output column. Here you see your columns which in your data is, and after that I will click on preview. Then you will find your data here, all columns and all rows. Just hit create button. Then you see a pop-up appear that you have created successfully your dataset. So after creating your dataset, just filter your data or just click on last updated data here. Then you see your data manufacturer_new is successfully uploaded in AIV. After that you have to create your first dashboard. So for that click on hamburger menu at the left top of the bar. So click on this, and from the menu click on plus icon. Here you have to write your dashboard name. So for an example, I will write my dashboard name manufacturer. So first, just click on create button and then you will redirect it to the dashboard canvas, which is initially be empty because you haven't added any widgets yet. This is our dashboard canvas. So on the left hand side you will see a panel with various widgets option. Click the arrow icon to expand and explore all available widgets, which is this all. These widgets include option for chart widget, table widget, and map widget, report widget, card widget. There are several widgets. You can choose widgets based on your data and visualize it. Let me show you an example how to create a chart widget. Select chart widget from the widget panel option. So in this drop down menu, if you select this, you see a different chart widget option are there. So there are right now column chart widget, bar chart widget, line chart are there, area, pie and donut, others. So there are different type of chart widget. So I will select here bar chart, and below this you can also see there are 4 types of bar chart are there, like clustered, stacked, 100% stacked, and clustered and stacked both. And I select here cluster, and after that you have to select your data set which you have created. So I have created manufacturer underscore new. So just I will select my data set here, and after that we have to select category axis. So in category axis we have to choose the column you want to visualize in. So I want to visualize country here, and in value column you want to visualize. So for example, I have selected here number of employees. You can also apply aggregation function here. So there are different types of aggregation functions available in this. There are count, sum, average, distant count, cumulative count, and several are there. So I will select here sum, and you see our data appear and right side. Just hit publish button, then you will see your bar chart is successfully created. So in this data we can say that in number of employees, in which country, and how much. You can also customize your bar chart by clicking on edit icon, and you can go to formatting tab, and there are several options you can customize your bar chart. For example, if you want to change your color here, you just go to color theme property, just drop down this, and you can also select a different color here. For example, I have selected material here, so you can also see a material color is red, and there are also a different color to appear here. So you can select this all editing also in this chart. There are several more options you can also use. Just hit publish button and save it from here. So you will successfully uploaded your chart widget in this dashboard. And that's it, you have successfully created and customized a dashboard in AI. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our updates. See you in next video.